फैजल एंड शबाना फाउंडेशन ने गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल कोठी बाग श्रीनगर कश्मीर के नए तर्ज पर तामीरशुदा मॉडल स्कूल का इफ्तिताह मेहमान खुसूसी लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर मनोज सिन्हा की मौजूदगी में किया। इस मौके पर फाउंडेशन की खिदमात को सराहा गया और हाजरीन को महसूस करने के लिए सकाफती प्रोग्राम भी पेश किए गए।
2 years ago, I'm the chairman of UAE India Business Council. We came as a delegation for looking at what we can do for Jammu and Kashmir. And when I went to Dal Lake in the morning, I was talking to the people here, and they said what we need is good quality education and good quality healthcare. And that is where our foundation has been involved in Kerala and in Africa and in Karnataka. So we partner with government to take up the government schools to international standards. And we thought immediately, I spoke to Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha at that time 2 years ago, and I said we wanted to start the same model in Jammu and Kashmir, starting with Koti Bagh. And he said immediately, you're most welcome, and we'll be happy to have you here and show this model to actually create a model for Jammu and Kashmir. Because education can change everything. That is a pillar of any society.
जब आप यहाँ पहुँचे आप ये
पूरा स्टडी किया क्या है गैप है गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में व्हाई पीपल आर गोइंग टू प्राइवेट स्कूल because most of the children study in private school because the quality is not good, and we said why can't we make government school the best quality so that all the children can have a free education. सब लोग को free education मिलता है higher than private education system, so that is a model. अभी तो गवर्नर साहब इनॉग्रेट किया है फेज 1 का, अभी फेज 2 फेज 3, और इधर से रेवोल्यूशन बनाएगा, एजुकेशन रिफॉर्म रेवोल्यूशन।